Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can apply for IEC International Experience Class for Canada in order to work like a work permit, or you can say working holiday visa, okay, for Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, I won't go into the requirements just to show you the process. Of course, like it is time bound and other things there. And of course, nationality bound. So when you log in into your GCT account, you have this option like apply to come to Canada. Here you go. Here you have that like put your checklist, or if you have already gone through that come to Canada wizard, put the code. If you don't have the code, you can click here. Now it's asking the passport. So I'm doing some sample. You got to do as per your case. Okay. What is your, let's say you are an Australian living in Australia. Date of birth. This process is age bound too. So that requirement also you should check. Just sample, guys. You have a letter providing one of the following IEC recognized organization. Fine and work. I select no. What is your country territory permanent residence? Let's say you are from Australia and you need to show some patience also. Do you plan to do work placement or internship in Canada as part of your study? I select no. Do you have a signed letter of offer contract? I select no. Registered to college, university, to country of citizenship? I select yes. So you can come under working holiday category. Okay. And this is for the pool. Like you'll be able to submit uh, only they invite you. But yeah, you can go into this pool. So I'm gonna go to here. So personal details of the applicant. If I continue, they've asked the name, then date of birth, country, town of birth, gender, marital status, ID documents, passport number, and some details they already pick up, immigration history, citizenship. Okay. All right. Okay. Next is going to be contact information. Work and education, we have done certain bit. So you click here, your language, email. Okay, fine. Work education we did, but yes, of course, like click on update and review. If anything is wrong, this is an excellent time to check it. Application details, category. Okay. Would you be like to add it in the pool of candidates? Yes. Why wouldn't? All right. And only after you go back and submit it, finally, when all the things get completed, then only you get into the pool. So of course, I'm not going to do that, but you get the idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.